So I am solving the white today. This is the top of my cube. This is the bottom of my cube. And now I'm just turning it to see which white one I want to add to the top. And looks like I can just start with this one. Okay, when you have them up here at the top in the upper part, what you want to do with this, you can actually rotate this middle one up here, keeping these two lanes in their spots. Okay, these two in their spots. I'm just going to rotate this one up here because this is the lane I want to get it out of, this upper part. I want to get it out of this upper part. Okay, so let me rotate it up here. Now it's at the top, it's no longer here. And the one that was up here, let's check it out, is now right there in the middle. Okay, I could deal with that. Now, I will see. Now, we'll just go with this one. All right? And we will call this a lane. And the spot that it is parked in is the top, middle, bottom. Top, middle, bottom. And what I need is a bottom opening up here, and it is open. There's no white one here, so I can put this one here. But first I need to move this out of the way. Turn it out of the way. See, it's on the side. And now bring this lane down, leaving these two in the same spot. I'm bringing the middle lane down. Left these two in the same place. The middle lane is down. Now I can bring this one back. See, I'm going to bring it back, and now I can bring the middle lane back to the top. Bring that middle lane back to the top. And always keeping these in place because I'm not working with these just right now. Now, let me turn it and find another white one to work with. Here's one. And it is in the top, middle, bottom spot. Let's find an opening. Top, middle, bottom. Oh, no opening here, it's full. So I can just turn until I can find an opening. Turn it here. How about this? We said it's in the bottom spot, but this bottom place is full also. So I'm just going to turn it again. Look at that. This bottom spot is open, so I can put this one there. Let me move it out of the way. Turn it out of the way. And bring the middle lane down, leaving these two in their places. Middle lane. Bring this one back to the middle lane. Now bring that middle lane back up to the top. And I always keep these in the same place. All right, and now I'm just going to look around, briefly take a look. Even take a look at the bottom. Well, which one do I want to work with now? I'll deal with this middle one because I see an opening in the middle. And so I could put this middle one here. Move it out of the way. Just turn it. Just turn that out of the way. Turned it out of the way. And bring this middle lane down. Keeping those two lanes in their places. And bring that middle one back. Now put the middle lane back to the top. There we go. And now I'm just going to turn it and see if I see any other white ones. I see this one. And where's the other one? There's one at the bottom. All right. What I want to do when it's at the bottom, all I need to do, I'm going to deal with this one now. I just want to put my finger on that one and then touch the top and make sure that if that top one above it is open, you're good to go to make your move. It's in the right place. Okay, so I'm going to turn it backwards. And now, as you can see, that white one is no longer at the bottom. It is now here, which is where I prefer. Instead of having it at the bottom, this is the bottom now. No white ones are at the bottom any longer. Okay. Now, since I put it back here in the back, what I want to do, I'm just going to actually turn it to one more time to where it's on the other side, because now I'm going to bring this lane back up here. But when I bring this back and I look at the bottom up, it's another one back at the bottom, and that's okay. That can happen. We're going to deal with that because look, touch that, touch this. We can deal with it again. Just turn it back and then, it's back here. And I'm just going to turn it once more so I can put my lane back at the top. All right, and we're back to our white ones at the top. And now we have one here and one here and none at the bottom. Okay, now let's check the lane that this one's in. Bottom is open. This one is the bottom, so I can put this one here. Move it out the way, and you're going to turn it in a direction where it's crossing the street. This middle one is the street. Cross the street when you turn it. Now, I'm not going to turn it this way because it's falling off the cliff that way. Let's turn it this way. Move it across the street. Bring this lane down. Bring this one back in its place and put the lane back to the top. We dealt with that one. One to go. Where is that one? Okay, that's okay if it went back to the bottom because you have to get used to dealing with them when they're at the bottom. Okay, that can happen. Let's put our finger there. Touch that one, touch the top. Is there an opening? No, there's no opening here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the bottom and turn it one time and check for an opening. Touch the bottom, touch the top. Is that one open? Yes, it is. Now we know we can rotate it. Let's turn it slowly. Turn that bottom one to the back so that it ended up in the back. It's back there. And I'm going to turn it that way, across the street that way, so I can bring this lane back up to the top without affecting that one. And you see, that's that white one right there. Okay, it's no longer at the bottom. Okay, now I just need to find a space for it because look what lane it's in. Look at the lane. This lane is full, and you want to keep it lined up in the lane where you can place it. Turn it one time and check the lane. Okay, let's check this lane that it's in. At the top, it's all full. Just turn it one more time. Let's check the lane. There's an opening at the bottom, and this one's at the bottom. So we can move this bottom one to this bottom spot and turn it to move it out the way, cross the street. When there's a middle one there, it can cross the street. Don't turn it off the cliff. So let's turn it across the street, move it out of the way. Bring this lane down. Bring it back. And move this lane back to the top. Now, this procedure can work for any one color that you solve. I solved white. You can do this step by step to solve blue. Same process. When you solve an orange, it's the same process. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share.